Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In the first part, just for the revision, we did I and you. And for the plural, we did we, and plural of you is also you. Today, we are going to do the people who are not talking, like I and you. It will be third person. Third person about whom we are talking, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, वो बात में शरीक ना हो, बल्कि हम उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. That's called third person. And for singular third person, we say he if he's a man, it's a male, she if it's female, girl or woman. But if they are plural, like more than one, then we use they. लड़का या आदमी के लिए ही, लड़की के लिए she या औरत के लिए, और अगर चाहे वो लड़का है या लड़की वो एक से ज्यादा हो तो हम they का वर्ड यूज करते हैं. So let's practice now. If we want to say she is a girl, वो एक लड़की है. She is a girl, he is a boy, right? She is a girl. She is a nice girl. And then he is a nice boy. She works very hard. It could be lady or girl, anyone. She works very hard. He works very hard. She's my friend. She's my sister. She's my neighbor. In the same way, for he, we can say he is a smart boy. He's a smart man. He's a gentleman. And then he's my brother, or he's my class fellow. So we can use this way. And for they, if they are men or I can say male or female, more than one, then you can say they are our class fellows, they are our relatives, they are cousins, and we use they for them whenever we have to talk something. Okay, the other form is when we have to say something related to them. कोई चीज उनकी है अगर first किया, then we say for girl, this is her pen. We can say pen, for example. This is her dress. ये उसका लिबास है. This is her home. And this is her house. This is her phone. And for boys, this is his phone, his. This is his computer. This is his dress. This is his shirt. So we use his for males. And if we have to talk about people more than one, male or female, we say it is their house. It is their house if it's one thing, but if it's more than one, these are their books. We can say this way then. And it is used for things or animals. Like about the pen, if we are talking, it is my pen and its color. Its color is blue. अगर उसके कलर की बात करनी है, उस चीज की बात करनी, then we use its. Okay? Then you can ask question about them also in the same way. Like the person who is in front of you, if you want to ask question from that person, then you can say, what's his name? Uska kya naam hai? First, you have talked about someone. For example, you talk about that boy who are doing something like you met yesterday, and then you can say, okay, what's his name? If it's girl, then you can say, what's her name? For boy, what's his name? For girl, what's her name? And if you met two people, so you can ask, what's their name? what's their name? Okay, and then you can ask about where do they live? Where do they live if they are more than one? If it's only one person and it's male, admi, or boy, then you can say, where does he live? If it's girl, where does she live? Where does she live? And then, do you know them? Do you know them already? अगर आप पहले से जानते हैं. Or when did you meet them? So these are only the persons we talked about today. These were third person. He, she for singular, humans, and it for animals or things. But if you have pets, यानी आपके पास पालतू जानवर रखा हुआ है कोई, तो उसके लिए आप जो है his or her use. So you just need to do the practice, make some sentences with them, and then it will help you. Thank you.